Alright, before I get into what this is going to be about, just as always, if you find the content useful, you like the fat fluffy red hamster logo, please give a like and sub to show that you like this content so that I can keep delivering it. But anyway, so let's say you want to spice up your desktop and you want to have dynamic wallpapers. As you can see, my wallpapers are changing, and I have it set to change every 30 seconds. And that's what I mean by dynamic, is that it changes and you see something new every, so often. For me, I've set it to every 30 seconds. But it's a very simple bash script, and let's just get into it, and I'll leave it in the description of this video so that you guys can see it. But I've called it dynamicwall.sh. So it's a very simple script. I think it's probably like 40 lines. Yeah, 38, 36. Okay, so what do we do here? This loop here gets a list of process IDs, and so we check just to make sure it's not running, because let's say you kill your server, your X server often, and you restart it. After a while, you'll have this script running in the background, and not only will it chew up a lot of memory, it'll then start it'll just start being funny, right? You'll have a ton of scripts doing the same exact thing, and it's kind of weird. So anyway, so we just have this here to kill the script. If it checks if it's already running, kill it, and then it'll go on to do its thing. So what's the real first command that we do? We go into our wallpaper directory, right? So let's say you got a list of pictures you want to cycle through. You would just put the link here, because this is where it will switch the directory to, right? So next, what's next here? I make an array of the wallpaper names, because I need to get the path, right? The path of these wallpapers, so that I can then use it later to set the wallpaper. So I just create a list of those by using the ls command right here, and this is just substitution, so it allows you to set a variable by running this command here. So anyway, then for every picture in this wallpaper array here, what I do is that I create another array, and in this array I say give me the path to this file found within the directory, basically, and I add this to this array here. So each time it finds one, it adds one to the array, and so on. But anyway, and then here, this is the actual switching of the wallpaper, which is really neat because it's so easy, and it's one of the positives of Bash and other simple scripting languages, that it's just so quick and it's so easy to do things. So I'm really enjoying learning Bash. But anyway, so for every single path in our wallpaper path, we use fe, and we just I use fill because I want to fill the screen. There's a few other commands. You can go into the Arch Wiki page and get the others, the other options that you have. Anyway, and then we pass through the current path, right? And then I tell this thing to sleep for 30 seconds before rotating to the next wallpaper. And then once that's finished, we just return back again, and then we run the same thing again, and it just runs infinitely, right? So this is pretty neat. It's only about 36 lines of code, and it does what it's supposed to do. I don't know, maybe there are some simple programs that you can download from the repos, but why download from the repos when it's this simple to do? And I'll put this script in the description, and you guys can use it. So again, if you find the content useful, you want to see more of this, please like and subscribe. The fat, furry, fluffy hamster will really appreciate it. And before I forget, actually, One last thing is that if you want to have this run automatically at the start of your desktop, you go into your Zenit, Zenit, C, right, okay, and you would just call the script here and start a new process for it, and it'll run as it should. So that's about it for this one. I hope that it was useful for you.